anymore.
So recently, I believe on Sunday when we say they for people they preach the gospel. It can't be say one man come out. That's why the security when we say they for the church, the man so if he pass through the security, can't go hold this man leg. But the way we say hold this man leg, if you will hear from the audio, the way we say they talk today, hold this man leg, so which is this pastor leg, so
Anymore.
It be like person who say they pass through some difficulties, or person who say they hope for the miracle of God. So he believe say, now by the way we say, if you just touch this man leg, or if you touch the man cloth, it go be say go get healing for what you be say they pass through. No, I'm not be saying a bad thing, because no say this particular matter so it happened for Bible during the time of that woman won't be say won't be say get the issue of blood, won't be say believe say anytime say they touch the garment of Jesus cloth now say go heal. But the thing be say don't be bad thing, if they be so, and I pray won't be say anything we see the man they pass through, so make you really see healings for the matter, because definitely we know they know the way we see they be for person, or less we say we don't enter the person's shoes. This particular matter now we say they for ground so they make them always say eyes they open, we see many people they feel say they take their pastors to become God, because most of the time we don't be seeing a bad thing like taking your pastor to become God na bad thing. But what I mean by saying no be bad thing be say having that faith no be bad thing. But the extent we say they can't take pastor to become God, or they can't take pastor to become Jesus so and they make them say some people don't be say if they talk about their pastor so in as much as not be their church you they go, you talk about their pastor, they go feel ready to defend the matter from morning till night. It no go finish. You sure you go can't tire yourself. You not get anything we say you want to talk against their pastor self, they go defend them or as a defend them, even insult you, even dress. But if you talk anything concerning Jesus Christ, they don't care. So some people they refer to their pastor as God. Person that this Oyedipo, so make God for everybody now say it there. Now the way people say they worship and now people not go want worship his wife, or people don't want worship his sons. Let me come be say this particular pastor so even now say for who they taught this important so now the church should be say a guy for some baby places for the world. Say now his sons now he put for the place. They feel me so, and this same pastor so of recently won't be so come here say the church, the pastor should be say put for the small groups, like small churches should be say they as form of branches. So he can't sack some of them, come out for the pastoral house, should be say provide for them, because say they fail to take me the targets of members when be say they as required to take become pastor for the church. They feel me so. So I look and say if you be human being, when we say you get that kind of mindset, when we say they expect or they think say your pastor so na God, man, darling. Come on, man, for that idea. Well, I understand this particular man case, so don't be saying I don't understand them. Just that we know the way we say the matter they be. So you want me say be individual, not be say I don't like pastors so I don't want me to say the coin now, you can't reason and say this guy hate pastor. I like pastors. I'm a Christian too, but always say I not be that kind of trauma Christian. They feel me so. So the thing we say, as an individual, so me you try maybe say you know the faith, me you know your relationship between you and God personally, because this particular pastor so you die, the pastor died, the same judgment when we say you go face, now the pastor go take face self. It's just the pastor punishment self when we say God go even give himself even worse part when we say you go even face self. Because this particular matter so they remind me of the time we say I did for school, we see some people do we say they want pray, or they call the God of the pastor. When we say as in the church we say they go, so they call the God of the pastor. For example, now I remember those days when we saw there for school, they say the God of Apostle John C. Suleiman. But you don't know for real whether the God we say John C. they serve and the same God we say we know. You don't know whether John C. so he they serve Olokun or he they serve Ogboni. So if you can't refer to the God, if you can't pray, give God, say the God of that pastor. So me know say not be God, who be so we know. Not be you they serve, not be you say they pray to you they pray to Ogboni God, when we see the pastor get secretly. So I just make I come here, I can't give one or two matter for what we say I see for this particular matter until I see you for my next video. Bye bye.